Hello, generator dealers nationwide. My name's Cameron Hamill. Welcome to the GenStand virtual show booth. I want to show you why GenStand products are the simple way to elevate generators. GenStand was created for generator installations involving snow, flooding, or unlevel ground.
In this video, we're going to show you how to install GenStand with pad 24-inch, 36-inch, and 48-inch, rated for 175 mph condition D wind zones. With your purchase, you're going to receive a GenStand pad, 2 earth anchors, an air-cooled GenStand platform, 4 legs, and all necessary mounting hardware. The GenStand pad is close to 400 pounds, likely very similar weight to your generator. You're going to need to handle it the same way. If you start out with a level pad, you're going to have a level stand. The earth anchors go into the ground very easily with an impact drill and a 3/4 inch nut driver. Use the provided metal tapping drill bit to put 2 holes in the earth anchor strapping. Use the concrete tapping drill bit to drill 2 pilot holes for the concrete screws. The concrete screw and washer secure the earth anchor strap to the pad. Any impact driver will do. The earth anchor will need to be at grade or 1 inch below grade. The provided earth anchors meet the 1,000 pound pull-out requirement on the engineered documents. Try to have the straps centered on the long side of the concrete pad. Insert the legs into the stand and connect with the 1/2 inch grade 8 bolts and locking nut. You'll need to center the stand on the pad. Use the provided 3/8 inch concrete drill bit to drill a pilot hole for the concrete screws. The provided concrete screws meet the engineering requirements of a minimum 2 inch, 3/8 inch concrete screw embedment. GenStand comes pre-drilled for Generac air-cooled generators. Simply put the bolts and washers into the holes and adjust the generator on the platform until the bolts drop into place. Tighten with 9/16 wrench and drill bit. Now you know how to install the GenStand with pad 24-inch. The 36 and 48-inch GenStand with pad include extra bracing needed to match the engineered documents. On the long side of the GenStand, you're going to use the longer bracing pieces. They attach with a 1.5 inch long zinc bolt, washer, and locking nut. The second bolt goes through the pre-punched hole to connect the bracing to the GenStand leg. Use the provided 3/8 inch metal drill bit to drill a pilot hole and insert the 3.5 inch bolt washer and locking nut. Remember to tighten up all connections. On the short side, use the short bracing provided. Remember to tighten all connections.